رو ببینید you will be able to see all the words. ما سعی میکنیم کلمات رو براتون نشون بدیم. I will try to show you the words to speak English. تا صحبت بکنیم. Speak English perfectly. همه چی عالی. Is everything okay? Yes? Yes, very good. ما در مورد social media میخوایم صحبت کنیم. We want to talk about social media. Influencer. Influencer means a person, شخصی که a person who influences, شخصی که تاثیر میذاره. Influence تاثیر گذاشتن. Influence, alright? تمام شرکت های بزرگ, all big companies are looking for influencer. دنبال influencer در اینستاگرام. On Instagram, on Telegram, on Facebook. وقتی در مورد social media صحبت می‌کنیم, when you're talking about social media, you should say that on Telegram, on Instagram, on Facebook, all right? And you try to learn something. You learn something on Instagram. Now, influencer, شخصی که follower زیاد داره. A person who has many followers. A lot of followers زیاد داره. A person who has a lot of followers. An influencer. یه اینفلوئنسر پول زیادی در میاره. کریستیانو رونالدو گفتش I make more money than playing football. An influencer can make huge money, make a living or make a killing. یعنی پول پارو میکنه. Makes a killing. An influencer makes a killing. ما در دوره 100 روزه از سوشال میدیا صحبت کردیم. We talked about social media. Influences a lot of people and my question is, سوال من اینه, how do you make money as an influencer? به عنوان اینفلوئنسر چجوری پول در میاری؟ How do you make money? As یعنی به عنوان, as an influencer. How do you make money as an influencer? You sell a product, محصول میفروشی. You sell a product. You promote a product. تبلیغ میکنی, promote a product. For example, when you are going to sell, میخوای بفروشی یه ساعت رو, sell or promote a watch, you need an influencer to advertise. تا تبلیغ کنی. To advertise or promote your product. To advertise, تبلیغ کنی, advertise or promote your product. And on Instagram or YouTube, so many people learn something. و میدونی که در یوتیوب یا اینستاگرام مثل پیج امویام شما مطالب رایگانه. Like live streaming or live lessons, live streaming or live lessons, all learning material, یعنی محتوای آموزشی, learning material is free of charge. I mean, it is available, موجوده. It is available free of charge. You can just click my page, amuyam, and you can learn a lot. You don't need to go to a place to learn something. I mean, you just sit passively. منفعلانه میشینی. Sit passively. Let me write. I'm left-handed, by the way. Okay. Passively. Passively, یعنی میشینی, you sit passively, and then you learn something. Which is you learn something. Then you don't need to just get stuck. گیر کنی تو ترافیک. Get stuck in traffic. You don't need to get stuck in traffic, all right? You don't need to look for a car park or parking lot, all right? You just learn something. You learn something at home, and you sit passively and learn lots of things from you, right? و این یک چیزیه که ما در اینستاگرام شاهدیم. حالا فرق تلویزیون با اینستاگرام چیه؟ What's the difference between YouTube and social media? social media. What's the difference between social media and traditional media? Traditional media. دوستان traditional media یعنی سنتی. Traditional media like TV and you are a listener. تو شنونده. When you listen to radio, you're a listener and you're sitting passively. منفعلانه میشینی. You're sitting passively. You're not active. You cannot engage with it. نمیتونی در واقع مشارکت کنی. Engage with it. You can't engage with it. You can't like it. You can't comment on it. Now comment means you can't comment on it. You can't like it. You have to just sit passively and you watch. And if it is really interesting, a TV show or a program on your favorite channel, it is interesting, you have to call your friend or see him or see her in person. شخصی باید ببینیش in person. یعنی شخصا face to face. You have to see him and talk about the TV show. You cannot like, you cannot comment on it right away. یعنی فوراً نمیتونی چیزی رو right away. Right away means immediately. You cannot type or you cannot comment or like something immediately. This is called traditional media. Traditional media doesn't make you active. In traditional media, it doesn't teach you or doesn't give you your favorite things. All right. Then social media can help you learn a lot. Social media will help you learn a lot of things, such as sport, fitness, exercise. I mean, you can get informed. میتونی مطلع بشی. Get informed. Get informed very quickly. You can get informed very quickly, all right? This is called social media. Social media helps you, social media helps you learn something. Learn something. You get informed. You get informed very quickly. And then if you publish a post, if you publish a video, وقتی publish میکنی یعنی منتشر میکنی. When you publish a video, it goes viral. یعنی viral میشه. It goes viral. It spreads. پخش میشه. Goes viral or spreads quickly. سریع پخش میشه. Spreads. S-P-R-E-A-D. Spreads. یادداشت کنید بچه‌ها. حتما در دوره 100 روزه ثبت نام کنید. Register to understand more about English. Now, when you watch a video on YouTube or on Instagram, you can write down, take down, notes برداری کنید. You can write down and repeat. You can learn a lot, and you are directly in contact with your teacher. مستقیم با مدرست در ارتباطی. ولی وقتی یک کسی در تلویزیون تدریس میکنه شما نمیتونید مستقیم باش در ارتباط باشید. You cannot get involved. درگیر نمیشید. Of course, social media will get you engaged. یعنی شما رو درگیر میکنه. Social media gets you engaged with it. Now, my question is, can you talk about the advantages and disadvantages? بچه‌ها میتونید از مزایا و معایب advantages and disadvantages. Advantages, مزایا and disadvantages of social media. Well, I talked about the advantages. از مزایاش صحبت کردم. I talked about the advantages of social media. It is really helpful, مفیده. Useful for learning lots of things. And it is totally free. کاملا رایگانه. Totally free, and it is free of charge, and you don't need to pay tuition. You don't need to pay tuition. It is free of charge. I mean, all learning material, همه محتوای آموزشی, all learning material is free of charge and you can learn a lot. And, but the disadvantages, معایبش قطعاً social media توصیه نمیشه برای کودکان. It is not recommended for kids. It is not recommended. Recommended یعنی توصیه. It is not recommended. Actually, recommended یعنی توصیه. با فعل to be میاد. It is not recommended. توصیه. It is not recommended for kids because it is dangerous. Because kids, you know, when I was a child, وقتی بچه بودم, when I was a child, my grandmom said that, say don't get in contact or don't keep in touch with strangers. با بیگانه ها ارتباط نگیر. Strangers, بیگانه ها. Don't get in contact or don't stay in contact. در ارتباط, don't stay in contact with strangers because it's dangerous, all right? And social media like Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, unfiltered, they publish, مردم publish میکنن, منتشر میکنن unfiltered videos. ویدیوهای فیلتر نشده, unfiltered. Maybe it is not suitable for kids. مناسب نیست. Not suitable. Suitable بچه یعنی مناسب. Not suitable for kids. Then I never recommend kids to use social media. اصلا توصیه نمی. I never recommend teenagers. For example, my niece, خواهرزاده من روژان, my niece روژان, I never let her, I never let her use social media because it is really, really dangerous for teenagers. But aside from this, aside from this or apart from this, it is highly recommended, قطعاً توصیه میشه, highly recommended for special English learners like our Yum's followers to join our page, learn a lot. It is totally free. You don't need to pay something. It is free of charge and you can learn a lot every day. I mean, if you just check my posts and IGTVs, you can be a best learner. You can be a very, very fluent learner. You need to just check and learn, study every day. Don't be lazy, right? Study every day. Sure, you will get the best idea. What is trolls and haters? بچه توضیح بدم در مورد trolls. دیدین بعضی کامنت بد میذارن. Some people leave bad, rude comments. What do you need to do? چیکار باید بکنی؟ You gotta show reaction. واکنش نشون بدی. You gotta show reaction. No way. اصلا no way. به هیچ وجه. You shouldn't show reaction. You shouldn't show reaction when you see trolls and haters. But there's slight or subtle difference. تفاوت جزئی وجود داره. Slight difference between trolls and haters. Haters, اونایی که ازت نفرت دارن. Those people who hate you, right? Then just come and leave bad comments. And you shouldn't care, man. You gotta ignore. But ignore. You gotta ignore those haters. I mean, they will just because they're anonymous. اونا گمنامن. Anonymous. Because they're anonymous, چون identity ندارن, هویت, because of lack of identity, نبود هویت. Lack of identity. They just leave some bad, rude comments. They're free. بیکارن, they're free and they just sit at home and they get bored. They get bored and come and leave some bad and negative comments. You shouldn't show any reaction. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. And but troll ها یه کوچولو فرق. اونا کامنت بد میذارن که یه چیزی رو از شما واکنش ببینن. Trolls are more dangerous. But in either ways, در هر دو حالت, either ways, you shouldn't show any reaction. What is clickbait? دیدین قلاب ماهیگیری? Have you ever gone fishing? ماهیگیری رفتی یا نه? Have you ever gone fishing? This is a fishing tool, all right? And there is a hook, all right? You just put some piece of bread on the hook. You just put a piece of bread or a piece of fish on the hook. You just, because you want to drop fish's attentions. میخوای توجه ماهی رو جلب کنی، یک کوچولو نون میذاری تا اونا بیان اونو در واقع بخورن، شکارش میکنی. You just hunt the fishes and you take it out and you get your fish. It's totally done. Then this is called clickbait. clickbait. ویدیوهایی که با سابتایتل زرد، نمیدونم شاید خبر فیکی باشه، false or fake news, false or fake news or false information، اطلاعات غلط. false or fake news or information, it's not reliable. یعنی در واقع reliable هم نیستن. reliable یعنی موثق. چون ما دو نوع خبر داریم، fake news، اخبار fake news and reliable news. It is not reliable, it is fake with a yellow subtitle, with a very big cover, and they just try to tempt you, تحریکت میکنن. tempt. We call tempting videos. ویدیوهای تحریک آمیز. They tempt you to click. و هر چقدر تو بیشتر روش کلیک میکنی، اونا بیشتر ویو میگیرن. The more visitors people come and click the videos, they will get more viewers and they will make money, all right? Because YouTube pays a lot, you know, for people who have more subscribers. And you know, we have a page on YouTube, and you can just click our videos on YouTube. We're active. میدونید که بچه ما فعالیم. We're active on Instagram, on apprendre. It is an Iranian platform, and we're active on YouTube, and then you can join and learn, right? But this is called clickbait. Clickbait. Click, C-L-I-C-K, clickbait. حالا بعضی ویدیوها وایرال میشن. چه ویدیویی بد چه خوب. Bad content or good content. And it goes viral. بعد بگی it goes viral. My video went viral. یعنی viral شد. My video went viral. And alright, we talked all about this. امیدوارم که از لایو امشب راضی باشید بچه‌ها. I just used 4 markers for different colors. I mean blue, pink, black, green, right? I used different colors to make a colorful video. یه ویدیوی رنگین باشه. Colorful video. You can take a picture. میتونید عکس بگیرید بچه‌ها. Screenshot. You can take a picture. And میدونید که بچه‌ها من 12 جلد کتاب نوشتم برای بزرگسالان. I have written 12 books. 34 سالمه, 34 years old. با سابقه بیش از 15 سال تدریس. More than 15 years experience in teaching in Singapore, Malaysia, Turkey, in what do you call Dubai, Emirates. You know, I have taught in different places. But what I'm trying to say, just give me come again. What I'm trying to say, فقط صحبت کن. Just speak English. Don't yawn. Don't yawn. Just speak English. Work hard. Never ever get bored. And I wish you all the best. و فراموش نکن تا فردا تخفیف 50% داریم. We have 50% special offer. 50% special offer for all students to speak English perfectly. جهت حضور در کافه یام یام که ما 3 تیبل داریم اینجا. 3 tables for elementary, for intermediate, upper intermediate levels. People can come and learn a lot from 5 till 8 o'clock. از 5 از تا 8 از شنبه، همین شنبه که میاد 5 بهمن. From 5 till 8 o'clock we'll get together, learn a lot. I mean, learn everything. Learn vocabulary, learn idioms, learn phrases, learn topics, movie idioms, and we'll learn about a lot music, songs, and we'll learn a lot. Okay? Get engaged. درگیر بشین بچه‌ها. Get involved in English environment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.